Hey folks, if you're an electrician, network installer, or DIYer who's ever had to snake cables through finished walls, this video's for you. Hey, Garrett here, welcome back to our channel. Today we're checking out the Jonard Tools MRS-24 MagneTriever, a magnetic wire fishing system that can save you a ton of time and frustration. This tool is meant for people fishing wires through walls, low voltage, data, coax, or electrical wiring, especially when you don't want to damage your baseboards or drywall. It's great for pro installers or DIYers doing retrofit jobs or renovation work. Here's what makes the MRS-24 stand out. It uses high-strength magnets and a 24-inch flexible retriever, strong enough to grab a ball chain through drywall, yet small enough to fit through typical holes. It comes with a 10-foot ball chain with an eyelet to attach your wire and a 3/4-inch stop ring that prevents the chain from falling into the wall, giving you reliable control. Included is an expandable retriever hook that contracts down to the size of a pen and extends up to 18 inches. This helps grab the chain when the magnet alone can't fully pull it out, handy when you're working around insulation or obstructions. At just 0.19 pounds, this tool is easy to maneuver and bend into Z or S shapes inside of a wall cavity, ideal for wall fishing without causing damage or excessive wear. Here's a quick how-to guide. Drill a hole in your wall or top plate and drop the ball chain's eyelet end down. Drill a small hole where you want to fish up the chain. Insert the MagneTriever. Bend it into a Z or S so it sweeps the area. When the magnet grabs the chain, use the expandable hook to pull the chain through. Then tie your installation wire to the chain and pull it back up. Quick and clean, no drywall demolition needed. If you install cables, data, coax, or low voltage wiring in existing walls, the MRS-24 is a smart, budget-friendly solution. It's ideal for renovations, retrofits, networking installs, or any job where you want minimal wall damage. It's compact, simple, and surprisingly powerful for its size. If you want a cleaner, faster, and less destructive way to fish wire, this little magnetic retriever is worth a look. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.